Hey, I'm Dave Koch. Welcome back for another Photoshop Quickie. I already showed you how to replace the image on a TV screen with another image, and that worked out really well. But I got a question. Somebody asked, how do I just make the screen black? Great question, and trying to be as responsive as possible. Let me show you how to do that. And we'll learn a cool new trick here too, and that is that when you have a selected area and you make a matte, I'm sorry, I always call them mats. They are masks. Sorry. So anytime you hear me say mat, I mean mask. Anyway, if you select an area and you create a mask, the mask will have the selected area as the mask. And it's really nice. You don't have to create a mask specifically. Anyway, you'll see what I mean as we go into this. All right, here is a hotel room, and you can see the reflection of the light over here, which I've removed because didn't want that light in there. But let's make this whole TV black. All right, so the first thing you do is you just zoom in, and you're going to love this because it's all straight lines, so it's really easy to do. So you just start there and select the inner part of the screen, and then you just come up over here into the side. You create a new layer, and then you just put a mask on it, and look there, it's masked out just the screen. So we can do one of two things. The easiest thing is to just paint black over the screen, and there we've got a nice black screen, which again you can do an opacity on to allow a little bit of reflection in there if you want. Or here's another cool thing you can do. You can go to the gradient tool and do a gradient white to black. Delete the layer mask. Let's turn that layer off and turn that on. Now let's readjust this. And we put the lighter side towards the window because we want to kind of mimic reality there. And then let's take a look at that. And there, that looks like a gradient with the light sweeping in from the window. So two different ways to make your screen black in a Photoshop Quickie. I'm Dave Koch, and may your next shoot be your best shoot.